สวัสดีครับ What's up guys? Welcome back to another action figure review. This one is Avalanche, the Uncanny X-Men, Marvel's Avalanche. You can pause and read it if you like to. The back. Alright, I'm gonna zoom in. Okay, you can see the big picture or the smaller picture, the zoom in picture. We have the Wolverine, Phoenix, Longshot, Multiple Man, Avalanche, Spiral. Anyway, we don't have anything at the side. It's a retro packaging, right? The top and the bottom, nothing, just clear plastic window box, retro packaging. Unbox him with the retro packaging way, like so. We cut from the side like so, and we cut from another side like so. And we cut from the bottom. That's the right side and the left side. We cut it again. Now we can open from the bottom. It's retro packaging. If we don't get a chain to open, there is something that we have to cut more. We have to cut more again at the bottom, the right side again, and we can open from the bottom. We see warning paper, leave it to the side. I don't really care about it. And we can open from the bottom, and the box condition still fine, right? Almost 100%. And we have Avalanche in the plastic tray. We got the interchangeable hand, so we got two pairs of hands for accessory, like open hand, left side and the right side. That's it. That's what we get from him and himself. We open the plastic tray like so. Boom. And we put it back to the packaging. You know, for those who want to keep the packaging, for those who want to keep their house full of boxes, you can do that. But I don't really collect the box. Anyway, it's your own style, it's your own collection, it's your style to collect the thing, the figure. Okay, now we have Avalanche, so I'm gonna make him stand in front of the blue background, and he is already blue which is, you know, kind of me at the no-brainer point. All right, you can see the portrait here looking, looking, you know, intimidating. You can see the bad guy beneath that mask, that helmet, and he is absolutely something that looks similar to Magneto for the helmet. I don't really know his backstory, aka his background. I just know that he is part of the Brotherhood of Mutant. So I just know that story, and I just know that he is the bad guy. Maybe you can compare me to Robo Don't Know because HereHem don't know. It's a slang. Actually, HereHem doesn't know. Anyway, the articulation, so we can turn side to side, turn his head, and a little tilt. I wish we have more than that. I wish we have a range of motion more than that. And both joy at hinge, so we can make him look down that far and look up. Not that really far, but yeah, we get some look up from him. Right, the helmet has a separate piece, I think. Anyway, I don't wanna take it off anyway. So the shoulder can move up, so I try to his costume reminds me of Super Saiyan Goku Dragon Ball Z story. This suit inspire me a lot of Goku stuff. Maybe the suit originally inspired from Dragon Ball Z. Who knows? I have no idea, but this looks similar, right? Avalanche guy. T-pose. He can almost do that. The legendary T-pose. Yeah. And the ab crunch, so we can, the figure is really stiff. I have to push a little some force. All right, he can crunch forward that far and crunching back that far, and waist swivel under the belt, which is not that cool system. Look at the proportion here, right? You see the gap right here and right here. Not that cool, bro, but I'll take it in anyway. Not the end of the world. So here it's really stiff. I'm afraid I'm gonna break my figure or not. Okay, not this side. I'm gonna take this side so shoulder can rotate, right? And biceps swivel. No pinless system, man. Come on, Hasbro. Biceps swivel and double jointed elbow. Double joint, but we cannot really move his arm more than that because of the globes. And wrist can turn side to side, hinge up and down. The wrist, and damn, hip can move outward, not really far. Come on, man, we just get that range of motion from the hip articulation. Damn, look at that. It's really small and disappointment. Okay, I'll take it. Anyway, he is really cheap. I play the wedding game and get him. Not a full price anyway, so he can kick forward real crazy high for his character. Really high. And kick back some upper thigh cut, double jointed knee with the pin system. which is not cool, bro. Double jointed knee, ankle move down, ankle move up. Not really move up. We just get some range. Really disappointing. And ankle pivot. He has such a big shoes for his character. Big shoes. Anyway, we try to get him in the superhero landing pose. For the ab crunch. Alright. Marvelization on his hand. A lot. Boom. Avalanche in superhero landing. Alright, guys. 360 rotation. This episode is coming to the end. I think he is a cool character. I got him in a cheap price. And he looks so cool. But compared to the pin system, the articulation that is not there, man, it's not that much score out of 10. I'm gonna give him maybe 7 out of 10, right?